Whether you are planning a pilgrimage, a family vacation, or even a short city trip, this video is your complete travel safety guide, with special focus on senior citizens. From packing medicines to knowing who to call in an emergency, Consumer Times walks you through every precaution you must take for a safe and stress-free journey. Watch till the end for important emergency helpline numbers. Spare few minutes to give your valuable comments, like, share and subscribe this video. Namaste, and a very warm welcome to Consumer Times, your trusted partner in making informed and safe choices every day. I am your host Dr. Arun Kumar. Today, we are bringing you a very important and timely episode dedicated to one of life's greatest joys, travel. Whether it is a pilgrimage to Varanasi, a summer holiday in the hills of Himachal Pradesh, or simply a trip to visit family in another city, travel enriches our lives in countless ways. But travel also comes with its own set of challenges, especially for our beloved senior citizens, who need to take extra care and preparation before they step out. So today, we will walk you through all the essential precautions you must take to travel safely and smartly, along with a crucial guide on who to contact in case of any emergency. Stay with us till the very end. This information could. The first and most important rule of safe travel is to plan well ahead of time. Never book a trip in a rush or on impulse, especially if you are a senior citizen or traveling with elderly members of your family. Research your destination thoroughly, understand the local climate, the terrain, available medical facilities, and the quality of accommodation. Book tickets and hotels in advance to avoid last-minute stress. Confirm all bookings, check cancellation policies, and always keep printed copies of confirmations with you, along with digital backups on your phone. For senior citizens especially, visiting your doctor before any trip is absolutely non-negotiable. Get a full health checkup done at least 2 weeks before your departure date. Discuss your travel destination and duration with your doctor, and get their approval. If you have conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, high blood pressure, arthritis, or respiratory issues, your doctor may need to adjust your medication or provide specific advice for travel. Carry a signed medical certificate from your doctor that details your health conditions and current medications. This is invaluable in case of a medical emergency away from home. Every senior traveler should carry a personal health kit. This should include all prescribed medicines organized in a pill organizer with daily labels, a blood pressure monitor if you use one, a blood glucose testing kit if you are diabetic, basic first aid supplies including antiseptic cream, bandages, pain relief tablets, and antacids. Also include a copy of your latest ECG report, prescription slips, and a list of your known allergies. Keep this kit in your hand luggage at all times, never in checked baggage. In terms of documents, always carry your Aadhaar card or passport, any government-issued senior citizen ID card, your insurance policy documents with emergency helpline numbers, travel tickets and hotel bookings, and a handwritten list of emergency contacts with phone numbers. Store photocopies separately from the originals, and send scanned copies to a trusted family member at home as well. When traveling by Indian Railways, senior citizens are entitled to reserved seating and discounted fares. Always book your tickets under the senior citizen quota, request a lower berth for comfort, and board only from well-lit and well-supervised areas of the station. Carry your ID proof while boarding as proof of age for your discounted ticket. If traveling by air, inform the airline in advance about any medical conditions or need for a wheelchair or special assistance. Airports in India have dedicated help desk counters for differently abled and elderly passengers. Do not hesitate to use them. On long flights, take short walks in the aisle every hour, stay well hydrated, and avoid alcohol, which can worsen jet lag and dehydration. If traveling by road, whether in a personal vehicle, a cab, or a bus, always wear your seat belt, take regular breaks every 2 hours, and never travel at night on unfamiliar mountain or rural roads. For senior citizens, long road journeys can be tiring and hard on the joints. Use neck pillows and lumbar support cushions and keep snacks and water within easy reach. Unfortunately, tourists, and especially elderly travelers, are often the targets of fraudsters, petty thieves, and unregistered taxi operators. Always use only prepaid, government-authorized taxi services or verified app-based cabs like Ola and Uber. Avoid carrying large amounts of cash. Instead, use a debit or credit card for most transactions. Keep your wallet and mobile phone secured close to your body, not in back pockets or open bags. Be cautious of strangers who are overly friendly or offer unsolicited help. Politely decline and seek assistance only from official staff or police personnel. At hotels, always use the in-room safe for passports, cash, and valuables. One of the most common reasons for travel disruption among senior citizens is food-related illness or fatigue due to heat and exhaustion. Always drink only packaged or boiled water. Never consume tap water directly, especially in unfamiliar cities or hilly areas. Be cautious about street food and raw vegetables or fruits that have not been peeled or washed in clean water. Eat light, familiar meals during travel days and avoid introducing too many new foods all at once. Pay close attention to weather conditions at your destination. Carry appropriate clothing for the climate, light cotton for summer, warm layered clothing for hill stations and cold regions. Senior citizens are more susceptible to heat stroke in summers and hypothermia in cold conditions. Never exert yourself in extreme heat. Rest in shaded or air-conditioned spaces during the hottest part of the day, typically between 11 a.m. and 4 p.m. Keep a water bottle with you at all times and sip regularly. Equally important is adequate rest. Do not overschedule your trip with back-to-back sightseeing. Allow recovery time between activities, take afternoon naps if needed, and listen to your body. Fatigue is a major risk factor for falls, accidents, and health episodes among elderly travelers. In addition to the national helplines, always save the local police station number of your destination city, the front desk number of your hotel, and the contact number of your nearest family member as ICE, in case of emergency, in your mobile phone. Many hospitals now have special help desks for tourists. Ask for these upon arrival at your destination. If you hold a travel insurance policy, and Consumer Times strongly recommends that every traveler, especially seniors, must have one, keep the policy number, insurer's name, and emergency contact number written down separately from your phone. Insurance companies provide cashless hospitalization in many hospitals, which is a life-saving convenience during a health emergency far from home. Travel is one of the most beautiful gifts we can give ourselves. It broadens our perspective, connects us with our culture and heritage, and creates memories that last a lifetime. But it must always be done with responsibility, preparation, and awareness. To our senior viewer and their families watching this video, please do not let age be a barrier to exploration. With the right precautions in place, every journey can be safe, comfortable, and deeply fulfilling. Do share this video with all your family members, friends, and neighbors, because this information is something every traveler in India must have. Please like, share, and subscribe Consumer Times.